Herbivores are those animals which eat grasses, plants, leaves, etc. Now, plants need to have a strategy to survive against them. So, do they have a strategy? Yes. One of the foremost strategy you can see among big trees is basically having their foliage unreachable to these animals. When you see a tree up to 10-15 feet, you don't see any foliage or leaves. That's because they want to prevent that to be eaten by herbivores who are usually maybe 5 feet to 10 feet, and giraffe maybe a little taller. So that's the first way of escapism. You must understand, all plants want to use minimum energy for maximum survival, and this helps them. Secondly, for example, there are grasses, and deers and many other cattle, they like grasses. So they grow in millions. Now when they grow in millions, it's just not possible for a cow or a deer to finish them all. So they escape themselves. So excess growth is one of the strategy they have adopted to escape from the herbivores. Next is thorns. Actually, thorns are nothing but modified leaves. So when there are thorns, many of these animals who cannot go and select small leaves will go run away from that. So that's how they escape. Next is very interesting. Some of the plants, when they hear the munching sound of the leaves by either worms or from herbivores, they suddenly release a material which is extremely bitter. Now, nobody likes bitter. We all like sweet and sour and salt. So the herbivores will run away. And at the extreme, there are plants which have toxic or biologically active compounds called secondary metabolites with them, and herbivores will never touch them. You have heard about goat, which can eat almost all the leaves, but it avoids many because they are toxic to it. This is how plants run away from herbivores.